What's up, everybody? Today we're going to replace, well, the busted leaf spring on my Malone kayak trailer. This is a 2019 trailer. I was carrying my Autopilot 120 through some, well, country roads and hit a pothole, set the trailer up in the air, the full weight of the kayak down on one side, and busted the leaf spring. This one's got some rust on it, so it doesn't really surprise me. This one, each leaf spring is weighted for 280 pounds. And we are actually going to upgrade that to a leaf spring that's more suited for, I think this is 4 something. So double the weight capacity of the trailer so that I don't have to worry about it when I'm carrying my kayaks around. Enough yapping, let's get this simple repair underway. Now I've already done the repair on the damaged side, replacing the broken one. As you can see, I added a new wheel. Still need to replace the busted brake light and straighten out the bent license plate bracket. But let's go ahead and pop over to the other side and I'll show you how to do this replacement. Alright, you can do this with some simple tools. I've got my drill, I've got my impact wrench with some sockets, a wrench, the new leaf spring, and jack stand and jack. So let's get to it. I will speed through a lot of the steps just to keep the video nice and short and easy for viewing. Alright, as you can see, we've propped the trailer up onto the jack stand, taking the lug nuts off the wheel. Slide the wheel out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my jack, used it to prop up the trailer, put the trailer on a jack stand. Now I'm going to actually support the axle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and loosen the 4 bolts on this bracket. And then this bolt, and then that will all slide out. Since I had to cut one of the U-bolts off on the other side, I just bought a whole new U-bolt bracket kit, so I will keep all these as spares. And then we'll remove this bolt. There we go. Now, you'll notice how this has a round slot, to go in the hole. Well, the one on the new leaf spring, the double leaf spring, it has one, but it's not the same size. It's got the nut. So, on the other side, it wouldn't fit. So, what we have to do is go ahead and grab a 9/16 will work, but since I have a step drill, I will just gap the hole bigger for it to fit. Alright, let's see if that'll fit. Oh yeah, there we go. Like a glove.
Alrighty then.
So now we'll go ahead and reinsert our leaf spring. Come back over with our bolt. Now we'll come back and focus on the axle. Next, we'll grab the replacement U-bolts and bracket. We'll just keep all the other stuff for spare parts. Alright. We'll go ahead and slide our bracket back on top. As you can see, it's all slotted, so it all goes right back into place. That ensures that the axle is right in the right position. I'll go ahead and square up the bracket, and then I'll just tighten these up slowly and then tighten them down. All right, and there we have it, about 10-15 minute job tops. It's not very hard, doesn't take very long. But as you can see, got her all down, reinstalled, tire back on, and ready to go. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. It's a pretty simple fix. Thanks for watching. As always, get outside when you can and make some memories. One cast at a time.